Hello friends, welcome back to the series on Python. In this video, we will see variables in Python. Variable is a container where you are storing values, or we can also known as variable is a name that is used to refer memory location. Okay, and there are some naming conventions to define the variable name. Okay, the variable name should start with either alphabet or underscore. It should not start with any special symbol or any digit. Okay, all the characters except the first character can be alphabet of any case and underscore, and also it can have digits. And variable is also called as identifier. Okay, and this variable name must not contain any spaces in between, or it should not contain any special characters in between. Next, identifier name must not be similar to any keyword defined in the Python language. And remember that Python variables are case sensitive. Okay, so consider here I am writing x equal to 2. Okay, here this is just an assignment. Here x is the variable which is storing the value 2. Okay, so here I am not getting anything. So in order to display the value of x, I go for using x. Okay, so now I got the output as 2. Okay, so now consider I am writing x plus 4. Will it work? Yes, it is going to give the output as 6. Okay, now consider I am taking one more variable y equal to 3. Okay, now I want the addition of x and y. X plus y, it is 5. Suppose I want to give some other value to the x. Consider x, I am giving 12 to the variable x. Now I will print x. So it is taking 12. Previously I have given x value as 2 here. Now I am updating x value. So now if I perform x plus y, so it will be the updated value of x and y value. Remember that in Python no need to define the type of the value, because Python is smart enough to get the variable type. Okay, and here if you want to use the output of previous operation, I want to use this 15. If you want to use the output of previous operation, you can use underscore. I want to add 12 to the previous output. See, you can observe it is displaying the output as 15 plus 12. Here underscore represents the output of the previous operation. How can we store the string in the variables? How can we store strings? Consider I have the variable name as name. Consider it is name. Now I am storing the string called Python. So now let's print it. So it is displaying Python. Can we add something extra to the existing string? Yes, we can also add. So adding is nothing but you have to use plus operator in order to concatenate some other strings to the existing string. Okay, so here I want to add language. So now you can see it is Python language. So if you want to display some space after Python, let's say name plus space language. So now you can see Python language. Okay, so here suppose I am just adding some string without plus operator. Is it possible? See, it is showing syntax error. Means here plus symbol will indicate that I am going to concatenate the string to the existing string name. Okay, we cannot concatenate without plus operator. And suppose I want to display any single character in the string name, so that time I can do so name of 0. So now what will be the output? So it is displaying the first character in the string, that is nothing but p. Okay, so now I want to display some set of characters. So consider I want to display from the index 0 to 4. So here it will display the characters of the name string starting from 0 and exclusive of 4, pyth. So p is at index 0, y is at 1, t 2 and h is at 3, and it is exclusive of 4. Okay, so now Can I use negative numbers with the string? Can I use negative index? I am using -1. So what will be the output? When you use negative, it starts executing the string in reverse order. So if I use name of -1, it is going to display the last character of the string name. So what is the last character in the string name? So it is n. Suppose if I use name of something called -4. Okay. So it is displaying fourth last character from the right side. So you can observe this is -1, -2, -3 and t is at -4. Okay. Suppose consider I want to display from index 4 to 11. But the problem is I don't have 11 characters in the input Python. I don't have 11 characters. So what it is going to do? Remember that it will not display any error, and so it will display the characters from 4 to the last character in the string. We don't have 11 characters in the string, but the output will be from the index 4 to the last character of the string. Okay, let's check. So from 4 it is displaying till end. Suppose here you are not mentioning anything. Name of 0 to 11. You can say it is displaying from index 0 till the end of the character, because we don't have 11 characters, so it will not give us any error. In this case it will consider till end of the string. Okay. Can we change the input of the string? Suppose I want to replace the character at the index position 1 and I want to give the character s at the index position 1. Can I do that? See, we are getting an error. So remember that in Python strings are immutable. We cannot change the input once it is assigned. Okay. So it means that once the string is assigned we cannot change, and so it doesn't mean that we can't change the input while printing. So let me show that. Consider I want to add something to the string name, welcome to Python. So that time so here if I write 0 colon, so it is going to display the string from the index 0, and here I have not mentioned any number, so it means that it will consider till end. Okay. So now so it is displaying welcome to Python, so it means that it is not recommended to change the input of the string, but we can change while printing the output. Okay. So here I am just adding something while printing. Okay. So but I am not adding anything to the existing string, but I am just adding while printing the output. Okay. So this is about Python strings. If you feel that this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Coders Cabin. Thanks for watching.